The importance of website design in UX. Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the importance of website design and user experience and why they are crucial for the success of your online business. Website design and user experience are two important aspects of your website that can make or break your online presence. A good website design can attract visitors and keep them engaged, while a poor design can turn them away. Similarly, a positive user experience can make visitors stay on your website and complete the desired action, while a negative experience can lead to high bounce rates and low conversion rates. So, how can you improve your website design and user experience? Here are a few tips. First, keep it simple and clean. Avoid clutter and focus on the essentials. Then, make it easy to navigate. Users should be able to find what they're looking for quickly and easily. Third, use high-quality visuals. Images and videos can enhance the user experience and make your website more engaging. Lastly, optimize for mobile devices. More and more people are accessing the internet from their smartphones, so it's important to have a responsive design that works well on mobile devices. So, if you're struggling with your website design and user experience, we can help. Contact us today to learn more about our web design services and how we can improve your online presence. Don't let poor website design and user experience hold your business back. Take action now and see the results for yourself. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative and useful. Remember, website design and user experience are key elements of your online success, so make sure to prioritize them in your digital strategy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content, and we'll see you in the next video.